Hello and welcome to everyone. Lots of best wishes. Today I will explain you what is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process using by green plant and making their own food in the form of glucose and other energy rich compounds. Photosynthesis process involves the conversion of carbon dioxide, water, and minerals in the form of sugar and oxygen using sunlight. What I am talking about photosynthesis? Let's watch my video. Light. Absorption of light energy by chlorophyll. Conversion of light energy to chemical energy and splitting of water molecules in the form of oxygen. Reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrates. And that is water. During the process of photosynthesis, cells using carbon dioxide and energy from the sun to make a sugar, molecules and oxygen respiration. The process of photosynthesis is commonly written as this equation. This means that reactant carbon dioxide molecules and 6 water molecules are converted by light energy, sunlight captured by chlorophyll, into sugar molecules. Three events that occur during the process of photosynthesis: absorption of light energy by chlorophyll, conversion of light energy chemical energy, and splitting of water molecule into hydrogen to oxygen, reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrates. Process of photosynthesis through which plants use water and carbon dioxide to create their food, grow and release excess oxygen into the air. Plants convert sugar and energy from water, air and sunlight into energy to grow. During the process of photosynthesis, cells use carbon dioxide and energy from the sun to make sugar molecules and oxygen. Respiration process, cells use oxygen and glucose to synthesize energy rich carrier molecules such as ATP, and carbon dioxide is produced as a waste product. Photosynthesis is an endothermic reaction. This means it cannot occur without energy from the sun. The light required is absorbed by a green pigment called chlorophyll in the leaves. The chloroplast need to collect the three vital ingredients: sunlight, air, and water. Sunlight shines on the leaf and the green chlorophyll inside the chloroplast absorbs it. Plant leaves are well suited to their work of photosynthesis because their broad flat shape offer a large surface area where sunlight and carbon dioxide can be absorbed. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.